Hello folks, how you all doing? Yes, today I got the stair done, completely done. A little bit more though. So all of this step cut like that, like this, like that. And it's raining hard, very hard. Put this bag in there. Oh God. I'm from Washington. Great to you can live a little bit. Let you see. This is how the deck look like now. But it's a lot of raining, so you can see it. The deck cover up, everything cover up. Yeah, everything cover up like that. You can see it. It's raining. I just live, like for a little bit. Not gonna be long. Couple more minutes. You can see the deck look like that right now. Got the step that go up, and this one. That's this side right here. Ooh, raining. This side like that. Alright, you see it now? Look beautiful. 99%, 99.9% now. It's done. Alright. Thank you folks for watching. Have a nice day. I'm gonna go run. Too much raining. Run right there. Oh, so beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Alright. Okay. This deck is 99.9% complete. 99.9% complete.
98%. No taste?
No, that's not take long like the whole thing.
I know it don't.
But it's not count like 1%.
No.
That doesn't count 1%. The whole deck right here is a lot of work.
Yes, it is.
Yep, a lot of work. So this deck is 99.9, not 98. 99.9% is complete. Tomorrow you're gonna see more work to it. Alright folks, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.